didn't just wake up, you showed up. And if your body feels stiff, heavy, or stuck in yesterday, this is your reset. In the next 5 minutes, we'll unlock muscles you've been holding tight for days. One stretch in here, it frees tension you didn't even know you were carrying. Let's hit the mat. Start in child's pose, knees long, forehead to the mat. Feel your spine lengthen as you inhale. On the exhale, flow forward into cobra. Hips down, heart lifted, shoulders relaxed. Why this matters? You've been curled up all night. This resets your nervous system, opens your spine, and breathes life into your posture. I promise, if you're someone who slouches or spends hours at a desk, this will feel like medicine. Beginners keep elbows bent in cobra. Advanced stretches press through palms to extend the arms fully. Alternating flexion and extension first thing in the morning helps rehydrate your spinal discs. Inhale into cobra, exhale into child's pose. One more round. Hold the stretch 5 more seconds. Do you feel the stretch between your shoulder blades yet? If not, reach your fingertips a little further. That just unlocked your back. Now let's loosen up your hips. Shift into all fours, then walk your hands forward and lower your chest toward the floor. Keep your hips over your knees. This stretch is your secret weapon against slouched shoulders and shallow breathing. It's gentle, but don't underestimate how deep it goes. I promise, if your upper back feels stuck, this is the release you need. Beginners place a pillow under their chest. Advanced stretches press palms into the floor for a deeper stretch. Here's a fun fact. The shoulder joint is the most mobile and the most neglected joint in the body. Reach 1 inch further. Hold that stretch for 5 more seconds. Still not feeling it? Try rotating your palms upward to externally rotate the shoulders. That just opened up your heart space, and now we're diving into the hips. Calm into a deep squat, feet slightly wider than hip width, elbows inside your knees, palms together at your chest. Use your elbows to gently press the knees out. If you've been feeling stuck in your lower body, this is the one that changes that. I promise this move will give you more mobility for everything. Walking, sitting, training. Beginners, keep your heels lifted. Advanced stretches, keep your heels grounded and chest lifted. Here's a little fun fact. Couches that squat more often suffer from fewer hip replacements. Push that knee out. Breathe in deeply. Hold it. 5 more seconds. Do your ankles feel tight? That's the exact reason this move is in here. That just opened your hips. Let's smooth out your rotation. Lie on your back, feet flat, knees bent. Draw both knees towards your chest and start tracing slow circles with your knees. This stretch is a hidden gem. It's subtle, but it reveals everything about your joint health. I promise your hips will feel freer after 30 seconds per side. Beginners make smaller circles. Advanced stretches extend the opposite leg for more stretch. Here's a fun one. Hips hold more emotion than most people realize. Movement helps release that tension. Switch directions and go slower. Hold for 5 more seconds. Is one direction tighter? That's your body giving you feedback. That just freed up your hips. Now let's finish with the challenge. From kneeling, step 1 foot forward. Shift your weight back and straighten the front leg. Toes to the ceiling. Hips stay square. Hands on either side of your leg. This is your moment of truth. Your hamstrings will resist at first, but don't pull away. Breathe into it. I promise this stretch will improve how you sit, stand, walk, and move all day. Beginners use blocks under your hands. Advanced stretches fold deeper towards your shins. Your hamstrings affect your lower back more than you think. Flexible hamstrings equals a happy spine. Reach a little further. Last 5 seconds. Breathe through it. Feel the pull under your thigh? That's your fascia waking up. You just gave your body 5 minutes of space, control, and breath. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy. Even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot. Rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pin comment to start your free 3-day reset now. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.